Hi sir. So first of all, my name is Jalika Concepcion from Base Kermon Alpha. So what is compassion? Compassion is the sincere ability to recognize another pain or need to respond with empathy and kindness. It goes beyond simply feeling sorry for someone. It is an active choice to stand with them, to understand their situation, and to take steps that can ease their burden. It grows from deep awareness of our shared humanity that can affect one person or part of creation, also affects of all of some way. Applied to caring for the environment, compassion means recognizing that the natural world is not just a resource to exploit. It involves saying the harm caused by pollution, deforestation, and climate change, and taking action to protect and restore the earth. Simple acts that reducing waste, conserving water, planting trees, and supporting eco-friendly practices are all expression of compassion toward creation. In this way, compassion bridges the gap between human well-being and environmental health, reminding us that the two are inseparable. In caring for others, compassion manifests in both small, personal acts and larger, collective efforts. It can be as simple as listening to someone without judgment, offering help when someone is struggling, or speaking out against injustice. On a broader scale, it can mean support programs and address poverty, healthcare, education, and human rights. True compassion does not discriminate. It sees beyond race, culture, or status and focuses on the dignity of each person. The role of communal discernment is essential in enforcing compassion within institutions like Pan Pacific University or PU, and in wider world. Communal discernment is in process of making decisions together through reflection, dialogue, and openness to the common. It is just not about debating options. It involves listening to different perspectives, weighing an impact of choice of people and the environment, and aligning decision with shared values. In a university setting, communal discernment can guide policies, activities, and programs to ensure they promote respect, inclusivity, and sustainability. For example, decisions about campus facilities, resource use, or community outreach can be made with the question, will this promote the well-being of both people and the environment? By doing so, PU can become not just a place of learning, but model of ethical responsibility in social care. In the end, compassion is both a personal virtue and collective responsibility. It begins the individual's willingness to see and respond to the needs of others, and extends through the choices communities make together. By practicing compassion toward both people and environment, by grounding our decision in communal discernment, we can shape PU and the world into a place where kindness, justice, and care, not expectation, but the norm.